And then, of course, the folks all went down to Washington to talk to the directors and the deciders, and they had an interesting surprise. And the surprise was the directors took the position that the study was so compelling and overwhelming, and the community was in such support, and it had such high standards to meet the challenge, that he was going to designate it, and did so designate it as a national refuge.
My name is Mike Horn. I'm a biologist for the Fish and Wildlife Service, and I've been working for the Fish and Wildlife Service for almost 12 years. I work at the Great Swamp National Wildlife Refuge complex in northern New Jersey, and because that's the closest refuge to this area, I've been participating extensively in the Cherry Valley study. Cherry Valley is a great resource because it's got a large population of federally threatened bog turtles here. It's got a major migratory corridor for migratory birds, including eagles, hawks, owls, that travel along the Kittatinny Ridge, or the Blue Mountain as it's locally known. And it's also got a great population of resident wildlife, things that we don't think about very often that are important, like rattlesnakes and more endemic turtles that haven't fallen under federal protection. Behind us right now, or behind you right now, is the Kittatinny Ridge, or the Blue Mountain. That's the source of all the waters that come down into the valley and supply water to the bog turtle wetlands that we're so interested in. The precipitation hits the sides of the mountain and slowly infiltrates into the ground and percolates down and exits at the base of the mountain in the form of springs or spring seeps. And the wetlands that form at the base of those seeps, or at the base of those slopes, form the basis for the habitat for the bog turtle. Cherry Creek has a native population of brook trout, and we studied Cherry Creek this summer. We're looking at the potential for not only brook trout but also other species of fish and potentially federally threatened freshwater mussels that might be present.
And I'm really surprised to be standing here today to see that this would happen so quickly. And this is probably the best Christmas present I could ever receive, and I'm